Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Did you know that you can use your Instagram account to log into Facebook? If not, then today we will guide you through how to log into Facebook using Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of app installed. Then click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Then click on the three dashboards on the top right corner. Then simply click on the account center shown on the top option. Then tap on the logging in with accounts and you'll be redirected to the Facebook app if you have already logged in, or else you'll be asked to log into your Facebook account. As you can see, I have not added my Facebook account here, so enter your Facebook username and password to log in. After you are logged into Facebook using your Instagram account, you can access your newsfeed, notifications, messages, and other features of the Facebook app as well. By following these steps, you can easily log into Facebook using your Instagram account. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.